Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. What I really did feel like filming. Like I don't know what's been wrong with me, but I'm just like not in the mood to film. Okay, so best thing to do, follow my Instagram. Cause I've been doing looks, but just haven't been posting them and recording them. Okay, so yeah, makeupbykeaira, follow it on Instagram. And I did a halo. It turned out really cute. I want to do another halo too, so I'll get 2 halo videos this week. Okay. But yeah, it's just like real springtime and chill. That's really what it is. And Papa Blue, I think the blue really just made it, real cute. But we'll get into this look, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment, share, like. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, turn notifications, and comments, all the good stuff. Okay. Okay, so I really don't know what look I'm gonna do, and I didn't feel like just starting on one eye. So we about to wing this, like really wing this. But I do know we're doing a halo. We are doing this. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna take this color Rain palette and we're going to take Crushin, that peachy color right there. And have make it with my hands already. Okay. So I don't know why, like I just haven't been in the mood to film. Like I've been doing my makeup, but I haven't been in the mood to sit down and film. Why? I don't know. Like I said in my last tutorial, with this color Rain Vivid Pigments Eyeshadow, you have to work in sections, and well, I'm kind of getting used to it now, so I can work how I usually do. But yeah, this work in small sections and blend. Okay, so I'm going back into coloring palette, take Bossed Up, which is this purple, and hopefully that gives me what I need. But I probably have to switch brushes, maybe. Okay, so I had did my other eye, and the only thing I did was build up the purple. And I'm just gonna take some black and put it in my crease. And then I'm gonna go in to blend this out. Okay, so I cut my crease. So we're doing a halo. And I'm going to do purple on the outer corners and then a little bit inside of it. I think I'm going to put that peach down. I don't know what I'm putting in the middle. It's either going to be yellow or turquoise. Like, I honestly don't know right now. Only thing I don't like about this Color Rain palette is when you go to put the colors on the lid, it's really difficult. It's really difficult. I kind of want to do orange in between here a little bit. And I'm just using all one palette, just the Color Rain Vivid Pigments palette. Okay, so we're going to take this Jlarue pigment in the Teal Surprise, and we're going to put it as the halo. Okay, there we go. Yeah, put mascara on. And also, you gotta sneeze. That's what happened to me. So hopefully, my under eye color can hide that. Cause I don't know how to take it off without taking out my whole face. Okay, now I'm putting some of that teal surprise in my inner corner. Ooh, that's too much. Now, I'm taking a shimmer shadow first, and then I'm gonna put it in. Okay, so the highlighter I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place Herione Glow 1. I didn't want it to be like too glowy because there's a lot going on with my eyes. I know me, I want it to be too glowy, but that's just the way I'm feeling today. Okay. No, my forehead glow will be something serious. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this Jlarue White Gold. Yeah, but I just said I didn't want to be too glowy. Like, who am I talking to?